So, for those wondering what that noise is in the background of our videos, hang on, I'm going to try it. There we go.
Listen.
That little thing makes all that noise.
Snores behind us. And you can hear it in the videos, like so loud, like in between, and you'll just hear her snoring away, and we don't have the heart to wake her up. That's her favorite spot.
She likes to be by our side,
and it never fails. Like soon as we start the videos, she's like, we put her right to sleep.
That's your baby.
We're like, we didn't know our videos were so boring, Gracie.
All right.